You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to our episode. This is our final episode in our series on mistakes to avoid when moving overseas. Today, we're helping you plan for what most people overlook. What if your home abroad isn't ready? Or what if you pack something that's prohibited? And what if you're shipping your vehicle with your goods? We're going to talk strategy. Mistake number 6, overlooking storage needs. Picture this. You arrive in Mexico City, but your lease is delayed by 2 months. Where's your shipment supposed to go? A client from San Francisco faced this exact problem, but because they used SDC's flexible storage, everything stayed safe and dry. Our solution involves climate-controlled storage in California or a destination city, timed delivery once your home is ready, short and long-term options for unpredictable moves. Whether it's a Libsyn renovation or Tokyo custom delays, we've got storage options that flex with your needs. Mistake number 7, packing prohibited items. Countries like China, Mexico, and Portugal all have long lists of banned goods. We're talking alcohol, cleaning chemicals, prescription medication, seeds and organic materials, or food products. One San Diego client moved to Libsyn, avoiding delays because they used our compliant checklist to remove restricted items. Their move cleared customs the first try. Here's what we offer: country-specific checklists, documentation for special items, expert custom support, and advice on what to leave behind. What about shipping your car? Yes, you can ship your vehicle with household goods. Our client moved to Libsyn, shipped their car in a shared container with their furniture, saving them money and staying compliant with Portugal's vehicle import laws. We prepared the ownership paperwork, custom documentation, and container loading with secure straps and blocks. You can use our checklist to pack smart, store items safely if your timeline shifts, or ship your vehicle in the same container. Call 877-339-0267 or visit our website to request a quote. One retiree from San Diego told us SDC's custom checklist saved our Libsyn move from costly delays. Thanks for joining us on this 3-part series, Moving Internationally and Making the Right Moves, with SDC as your guide. Whether it's paperwork, packing, storage, or shipping, we're here to simplify your move abroad. Give us a call, 877-339-0267, or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com. Start your journey today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.